Okay, so next we need to pick our name of our product, and then we're going to get a domain name. So the product name that I decide to go with here is, well, first the keywords that I found is how to get affiliates. That was my best keywords for the amount of volume and everything. And then here I wrote, I think my best product name is Affiliate Recruiter Pro 2.0. And you're going to need to decide. You can choose your keywords from the keyword search tool as your product name, or you can use this to help you market. You can use these keywords to help you market later. Just save those somewhere. And then you can choose a product name that's related to this, but it's something that you think would help you get more credibility for your product and to help sell it. So think of yourself as a person, a vendor, who's listing your product. You've listed it online, you're selling your product online, and you want to find affiliates. You want to recruit affiliates. So what type of product would you buy? So I'm thinking that the person would buy, and I would buy something that said Affiliate Recruiter Pro 2.0. And why did I choose this? Well, this tells me here Affiliate Recruiter is in here in the keywords. So this tells me what this product does. It helps me to recruit affiliates. Okay, so you want that in your product, what your product does in the title. The other thing is, here I put the pro part gives me confidence that it will work because it's a pro version and may be worth the money. So adding this pro to it gives me some kind of idea of quality, something I should pay for because it's a pro version. Okay. This 2.0 gives me the idea that if there's a 2.0, there was probably a 1.0, and that means this product has been around some time. And if it's 2.0, it means that there's been work to upgrade this program, this product, to be even better. So I'm getting an upgraded product that's been around for a while. It's a pro version, so it's high quality, worth the money, and so not free. And the other thing is, I know that it's for affiliate recruiting. So it has a lot of things in this title which make me want to buy this product, I would say. Okay, so you want to do something like that with your product name. Okay, so now I want to come up with some kind of domain. So my domain this is going to be where my landing page is. If somebody goes to ClickBank, they buy my product, then they're going to go to my landing page. And this is the domain that I'm going to use. So the domain should also have something about affiliate recruiting or whatever your product is. And this is going to show up in your links. So if you have a YouTube video promoting your product and you put a link, I want my link to be something like howtorecruitaffiliates.com or howtogetaffiliates.com, something like that. And not necessarily Affiliate Recruiter Pro 2.0. Could have it something like that, but that seems kind of really long, and I don't know if that would bring as much attention as this. Okay, so to do this, I highly recommend Bluehost, which I use for all my websites. It's very easy to set up landing pages through that. It's one click to install WordPress, which you'll be using to set everything up later. And so if you're not already using Bluehost, I suggest you using that. You can control your domains, it's good price. You control your website, everything from one location. And I'm going to put a link in the video description. And this link can be used to when you originally sign up, and it'll find you the best deal that they have available for registering domains. So it'll be very cheap for you to get started. Okay, so go to domain section here. So domains, and then we're going to add new domain. So register a new domain. and we want to do a new domain search. So find your domain, and I'm going to put something like how to get affiliates.com. So we're seeing if anyone else owns this. So how to get affiliates.com is taken, and then we have how to get affiliates.net is available, how to get affiliates.online, how to get affiliates.site. This one's only $2.99. So you can see different prices for it. How to get affiliates.com. So selling this one for $2,095. So definitely just starting out, you're not sure how well this product's going to sell. You'd want to stick with a cheaper version. And it really doesn't matter because people aren't going to be typing in, like, they're not going to go right to the URL probably and type in how to get affiliates.com, and then your site's not going to come up. But whenever they click on something, they want to see that it has something about how to get affiliates in there. Okay, how to get affiliates. How about how to find affiliates? Okay, how to find affiliates.com is $11.99. That one's available. How to find affiliates.space. Okay. What? Okay. Are you eating? Are you eating now? 2:40. All right. I'll come over then. Okay, so I'm going to pick how to get affiliates.com. Let's see what that looks like. How to get affiliates.com. This is pretty much a dead site. 2015. Okay. Affiliate recruiter pro. Affiliate recruiter. Affiliate recruiter online. Affiliate recruiter. Affiliate recruiter dot space. Okay, so I'm picking affiliate recruiter dot site. Or how to get affiliates. How to get affiliates dot online. Oh, I like that one. How to get affiliates dot online. Okay. Okay, automatically renew my domain before it expires. Okay. No rights. Okay. How to get affiliates online. I'm going to use that one. My domain. Because this tells me I want to get affiliates and online. So protection, no. Okay, assign your domain. So $5 for a year.